Hi, my name is Colin Newsmer, and this is my network learning project for CEP 810. My learning goal for this project was how to paint over painted brick, and specifically this ugly fireplace right here. My wife and I just bought a house last December, and the previous owner, for whatever reason, painted over a brick fireplace and painted it red, so we wanted to make it look a little bit better. I've been told by a few friends and relatives that painting over painted brick is sort of difficult, so I watched a few how-to YouTube videos. I found a really good how-to article on SFGate, as well as some stuff from Lowe's.com to help my process of learning how to actually paint. After taking in the information from all those sources, I learned first that we would need to prime the brick because I wasn't quite sure if there was an oil-based paint that was used before. So we bought some Kilt's primer. I also learned that if you wanted to make the fireplace pop, you should use a gloss or a semi-gloss paint. So we ended up buying a semi-gloss Valspar paint. We also got frog tape because from what I've actually heard from word of mouth, it is the best. All the suggestions from my sources said that you should use a combination of rolling and brushing, where you actually use the roller to paint the brick itself and the brush to get into the mortar slats. So instead of using a large roller, I decided to use a trim size roller based on the size of our fireplace, and then a 2-inch paintbrush. After picking out the supplies, it was time to actually do the dirty work. I did find some sources that said spraying a fireplace was easier to do than rolling and brushing, but I decided that'd be a little bit too messy. This is the priming process, and as you can see, white primer on red brick is very difficult to sink in, so this did take a little bit of time and some slopping on of some primer in order for it to take. The most difficult part of this fireplace renovation was actually painting directly under that mantle there. I had to learn how to get under there with a smaller paintbrush and sort of slap the paint on so it would stick, and then also make sure it didn't get on the mantle, which became pretty difficult. And ta-da, that is the finished product. After 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paint, the ugly brick has become a nice shimmering white. Thanks for watching my network learning project. Take a look at my blog for more information on how I use these concepts in my middle school classroom.